A former Minneapolis police officer could face more than 15 years in prison for shooting and killing an unarmed yoga teacher. Mohamed Noor was found guilty yesterday of murdering Justine Damond. Noor was responding to Damon's 911 call nearly 2 years ago when he opened fire. Dean Reynolds is outside the courthouse in Minneapolis where the verdict was handed down. Dean, good morning.
Good morning. The jury reached a decision after deliberating for roughly 11 hours, finding Noor guilty of murder in the 3rd degree and manslaughter in the 2nd degree, but acquitting him of the more serious charge of murder in the 2nd degree.
This welcome conviction will not bring Justine back. However, we celebrate that some form of justice has occurred this week.
Friends and family of Justine Damond breathed a sigh of relief following Tuesday's guilty verdict against former Minneapolis police officer Mohamed Noor.
We believe he was properly charged with a crime.
While Damond's father said he was satisfied with the outcome, Damond's fiancée criticized the Minneapolis Police Department.
But that night there was a tragic lapse of care and complete disregard for the sanctity of life.
On July 15, 2017, Noor and his partner were responding to Damon's 911 call about a possible sexual assault near her home. While searching for a suspect from inside their patrol car, Noor testified that he heard a loud slap on the driver's side of the vehicle and shot Damond from the passenger seat out of fear for his partner's life. The month-long trial hinged on whether Noor's use of deadly force was justified. Minnesota law allows officers to use deadly force if they perceive a threat, but defense attorneys could not convince the jury Damon's alleged slap justified the shooting.
Well, the evidence showed that the officer acted unreasonably.
Hennepin County Attorney Mike Freeman says Noor is the first Minnesota police officer to be convicted of murdering someone while on duty.
It does not give us pleasure to call out police wrongdoing, but when it occurs, it is our job to let the public know, and in extreme cases to bring charges and prosecution.
Now, the police and the police union leaders say they respect Tuesday's verdict. The judge in the case denied bond to Noor, who is due back in court for sentencing on June 7th. So far, no word on whether his defense attorneys plan to appeal. Gayle?
All right. Thank you very much, Dean.